ZBAO stock analysis for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Ultimately looking at Zhibao Technology, gotta be the name of the day. But when I look at tickers like this, I know it's like 10% up and whatnot, but I don't think that's gonna be the direction that I want to take this thing off, right? ZBAO, like even from the beginning, the only thing that I wanted to take things further up was if there's a big catalyst, 1 or 2, if I see a full candle close above 150. And we're not there yet. And guess what? That's fine. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and just trying to cry about it. I have made previous receipts with that too. So yeah, like I'm not gonna sit here and just even sell. It's my directional bias, but I'm just saying from years of discretion, that's exactly how I'm looking to take things further up or down. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.